guys, welcome back to my channel Dreamcatcher Meera. This is Meera signing back to this new series of my baby and me. So this is the first trip of my baby and we are going to have this trial trip. So हम जा रहे हैं करीबन 5 घंटे के लिए यहाँ के नज़दीक के जो सिटी है न्यूनबर्ग. We are going there and see my baby is ready and my husband is also ready. So he's happy with his rabbit sleeping in his carriage and will be leaving soon, and we are going to go in our car. I'll keep you updated. Let's see how he keeps up with this trip and let's enjoy it. I hope he also enjoys it and you also keep watching till the end and let's explore together if he actually enjoyed the trip or not. So let's go. So for our baby we have a specific auto sit and that is to be used at least for 0 to 6 months. So let me show you how it looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's a company Mexicosi and yeah, it has an adapter which is fixed to the seat so that the seat does not move. So now Bandish will be keeping the baby inside, right?
Yeah. Yo, V1 is going to sit in its car seat.
Yay! So he's almost ready. He's a good boy. We need to pack him up and बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ये सीट में रखा है. फिर भी आपको ये बेल्ट जो दिख रहा है, you need to strap the baby with this belt. It is very necessary to do that because it's for the safety of the baby. So this is how you do it. And then you cover the baby if it's cold and if for example now it is like 24 to 25 degrees, so I won't be covering my baby and I think he is little bit unhappy about this seat because वो पूरा जकड़ गया है seat में. Okay, so now it's our turn to get settled. So this is our baby carriage. Currently we put a bag into it because we are going to put that into our dicky. Fortunately we have a good place over here, otherwise you can see how big it is. This is necessary because baby cannot be sit for long time in this auto seat. You can maximum take around 30 minutes and not more than that. 30 मिनट से ज़्यादा बेबी को वॉकिंग करते वक्त उस सीट में नहीं रखना है, अदरवाइज यू कैन डैमेज द बैक ऑफ द बेबी. एंड यू कैन सी हाउ बिग इट इज़ और कितनी जगह रोकता है वो. और अब ये नीचे का जो पोर्शन है, ही इज़ गोइंग टू फोल्ड दैट अप कम्प्लीटली. यू कैन डिसमाउंट इट टू अराउंड दिस स्मॉल साइज. यू कैन ऑल्सो इफ़ यू वांट ये टायर भी सेपरेट हो सकते हैं, बट वी हैव इनफ स्पेस राइट नाउ, तो हम टायर इसको अभी नहीं अलग करेंगे. थैंक्स टू माई हस्बैंड दैट ही थॉट ऑफ बाइंग अ बिग कार. सो Bandish, what do you think? Yeah, he is my husband. Bandish generally does not like to come in the video, but I forcefully ask him to come into the video. So
Still I don't like it, but Meera wants. That's why I'm here actually. I told Meera every time that we need a big car because if parents will come here or when we get the baby, then we will need the big car. That's why I thought, and then we bought a very big car, SUV type of.
yeah, but in this big car also don't misunderstand. It's not like in India. यहाँ पे तुम कितने भी लोग ठूस नहीं सकते हो. Like ये इसकी भी कैपेसिटी है maximum 5 people. So if a baby is sitting in his baby seat, only 4 people extra can sit, including the driver. There is a spider over here. No entry for spiders. So here is my little boy Vivan. He seems to be like question mark enjoying. I don't know, but he's gazing at something. So this is the adapter that I was talking about, and it is almost compulsory, or it is preferably recommended that you use this adapter so that the seat does not move here and there when you are driving a car. So you guys may be wondering why am I sitting on the back seat. It's because of my baby. If at all he cries or if at all he needs me at any point of time, I can just be nearby him, and that's why I'm sitting at the back seat. Hi Bandesh.
Hi. How are you?
Yeah, we are fine. Till now enjoying.
Let's see how much do I enjoy.
Yeah, see, he's also enjoying. He's laughing. Yay! So, baby, are you enjoying? Yeah, he says yeah. See? Let me introduce to my friend, Paddu. Hi! She's also coming with us and exploring our first journey with Vivan. Yay!
Mira, don't forget the seat belt.
Yeah, I'm doing it, don't worry.
Sleeping?
Yeah, he's fell asleep. So what's the time? It's around 11:07 and
11:07 is the reaching time.
okay, 11:07 is the reaching time. Okay, around 11 o'clock, and my baby is already awake. So he didn't even sleep for around 35 minutes. So he's trying to be awake, and he is almost fully awake. Maybe in a shock to where he is, but he's a good boy. He didn't cry even after waking up. Hi Vivan. He's making so many faces, getting recovery from the sleep. We're almost there. In 5 minutes or so we'll be reaching our destination. First we'll go to the Indian store, and it's a huge store. I mean, it's a big go down. You can find all the Indian stuff. Before going inside, I have to feed my baby so that he keeps quiet for the rest of the trip. So let's go and hit the place with Vivan.
Once you have seen. If you come Nürnberg through the Landstraße, there is one
Vivan, Vivan.
There
We are almost going to reach, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, just 2 minutes. No. Unlikely, as you can see, it's raining as we reached here at the Indian store, and that's why I'm sitting inside with my baby. Although he completed feeding, he is like still getting creepy a bit. So I have to handle him, and so see you in the next few minutes. Yee, junge Mann. Say hi to Daddy.
Hi.
Say hi. Hello, Daddy. Yeah. done with our shopping. I have done less, she has done more. My husband just checked the bill if everything is there. Nothing extra has been added or so, because we bought so much of it that it's better to check. So one trolley is already empty, and now it's the turn of that big one.
Truck.
So my husband is feeling that this is a very small car and he needs a truck. I don't know what he's going to do when he's get a truck. He'll have a whole house into the truck.
Not that truck, na American truck. Not real truck. I'm talking about the not transport truck, but the American truck.
The RV truck, I think. Yeah. So then in this corona time, don't worry, we have our mask on and we are taking real precautious measures of distance maintenance and mask. So both of them are busy packing their stuff. Paddu, are you done with your stuff?
Yeah.
So finally Paddu is ready.
I'm done with my stuff.
And Vandis is still packing. I mean, how many snacks have you got? 21 packets, right? 21 packets of snacks, and he will almost complete in 1.5 months.
Bye. More? Because it will finish in 40 days.
Yeah, and see your stomach. Show your stomach. See? So good that we have that inner space that we can put all the stuff over there, and it gets closed, and now we can put our Kinderwagen. Kinderwagen is what? Child carriage. We can put our child carriage above it, and so that we are done with our space. Yeah, so we are done with our Indian grocery shopping, and my baby is awake and he's not a that good boy that he'll sleep for long. See, he's enjoying his views. I don't know what he is looking at, but yeah, he's enjoying his views.